How's it going, guys? King Cadillac here, and today we're at the Lang Lang car show. Without further ado, let's get into these classics.
He's got the Wild Violet Ford Capri, 1971 Ford Capri. The Wild Violet Ford Capri. Stephen Anderson, he's the man to see for the Capri Car Club for the Festival of Sport at Phillip Island.
Sorry guys, got to do a U-turn, got to go down this way. So the event, the cars started rolling at 7, the event started at 9, and we'll get around to all of them. As you can see, these are all the cars that have actually that have already come in.
We just make mention again of the People's Choice competition. Everybody here today.
So what we'll do is we'll go up and down the line. I'll show you all the cars as usual.
You would have got a ticket as you come in for the People's Choice.
I hope you enjoy.
Put your number down, put your name on it.
Must be up that way.
Pop it in the box over at the event office.
Enjoy life.
Which is over near the main office there. Put it in the box.
Of course, it's old F100.
For a prize, and also, of course, the car with the most
Old school bikes.
gets a prize also. So that's our People's Choice Award again, and here at Lang Lang. As you mentioned before, not all cars being judged for the main competition.
Now, I will give you guys a heads up if you're not wanting to watch a long video. You may only get halfway through this, but considering all the cars here, there is going to be, well, sorry, phrase that, it will be a long video, so please bear with me. As I said, hope you enjoy.
Make sure you fill it out and put it in the box over at the office.
Old Ford Vicky. Oh, Fairlane. Oh, hello. Doesn't look too bad. Old Ford Deluxe. Miss American Pie. Married to the levy, but the levy was dry. Your car's running a bit warm, isn't it? How you going, brother? Not much. There we go, the old Impala. No, old mates. Ah.
Cheers, brother.
Yeah, we got one.
Thank you. Just got here, man.
I noticed. You're running a bit slack today. Excuses, excuses. Sorry about that, guys. Just catching up with some old mates. Met Mark's Mustang. Tirana. A Rover. Interesting. How's it going, gentlemen? Seen any favourites that you like yet? Got any favourites you like yet?
Oh, there's lots of nice cars there, so yeah, we've only sort of just started.
Yeah, it does get a bit like that. You don't know which way to turn because you're drooling all over.
I've got the roof down.
Sweet. Little Mini. Well, this is going to be a very long video. Not that anything can be helped about it, but we need to get as many cars in as we can. Maybe I should have just gone live. Oh well.
We get down to Penlink and a couple of the other cruise nights.
I was there last night, but there was only a half quarter.
It was just too windy, too wet.
Windy, the wetness is gone, and the windy has.
Okay guys, I'm going to stop the video here, and I'm going to do a live video, so I'll see you soon.